Why saving money makes you poor. Rabbit saves carrots under pillow every month, every year. Rabbit does everything right, but Rabbit loses money. This is why. Rabbit is working. Rabbit earns 10 carrots every month. Rabbit is smart. Rabbit is thrifty. Rabbit spends 2 carrots every month. Rabbit saves 8 carrots. Rabbit is happy. I will be rich, says Rabbit. 1 year later, Rabbit has 96 carrots. Rabbit is very happy. Rabbit hides them under pillow. No one can take my money, says Rabbit. Neighbor Rabbit asks, where do you keep them? Under my pillow, safe and sound. Neighbor Rabbit looks suspicious, but Rabbit doesn't care. 1 more year passes. Rabbit now has 192 carrots. I'm rich now, says Rabbit. Rabbit goes to the market, but Rabbit notices something. Last year, Rabbit could buy 3 lettuces with 1 carrot. This year, Rabbit can only buy 2 lettuces with 1 carrot. Strange, says Rabbit. Maybe bad luck. Rabbit goes back to pillow. Rabbit counts carrots. 192. Everything is fine, says Rabbit. 1 more year passes. Rabbit now has 288 carrots. I'm super rich now, says Rabbit. Rabbit decides to buy a burro. Rabbit goes to real estate agent Rabbit. 3 years ago, burro equals 100 carrots. Today, burro equals 400 carrots. How? Says Rabbit. I saved 288 carrots. But burro became more expensive. Real estate agent Rabbit shrugs. Inflation, buddy. What is inflation? Carrots lose value over time. There are more carrots, but each carrot buys less things. Rabbit's situation. 3 years ago, 1 carrot equals 3 lettuces. Today, 1 carrot equals 1 lettuce. Rabbit has 288 carrots, but their value is like only 96 carrots. Rabbit went backwards. Neighbor Rabbit comes. I told you so. What did you do? Says Rabbit. I planted my carrots in the field. Neighbor Rabbit's story. Every year turned carrots into seeds. Seeds grew, produced more carrots. 3 years ago had 100 carrots. Today has 500 carrots, and each carrot is still valuable. Rabbit understood, saving getting rich. Keeping carrots is not enough. You must make carrots work. There are 3 ways. 1 under pillow, you lose 2 bank. You earn little, but still lose. 3 investment. You can win. Rabbit is knowledgeable now. But is it too late? No. Rabbit starts today, because starting late is better than never starting. Everyone is Rabbit. Carrot is same carrot. This video is not investment advice, just financial awareness. Subscribe. Don't get rich, but don't stay ignorant.